morning. This is Don DiBartolo, a senior broker with Daniels Trading. I'm coming from Chicago with your IMA Live Currency Snapshot for Tuesday, November the 11th. Today is Veterans Day. Thank you to all of those who have served in our military. Only the pit foreign exchange and interest rates are closed today. The current market sentiment is the dollar remains king, with more gains ahead. From the overnight session, the Australian dollar is up 32, the British pound is up 13, the Canadian dollar is up 8, the Japanese yen is down 64, and the US dollar index is up 4 points. Let's focus on the Japanese yen. Talk that the Japanese sales tax might be delayed, and extremely bearish yen-dollar exchange rate projections leave the yen in a downdraft. In fact, comments from the BOJ overnight that their policy is directed at recovery and not at exchange rates would seem to clear the way for more significant declines in the yen ahead. With the gap down failure on the monthly charts, there might not be significant support in the yen until the 86.05 level. Turning to the US dollar, it's showing signs of returning to its recent highs in the wake of positive data flow to start the week, extremely positive analyst forecasts, and talk that Russian sanctions are serving to chill Western European economic activity. In fact, some analysts overnight suggested that the dollar is poised for months of gains, and that some currencies like the yen and euro might suffer the brunt of the dollar rise. With Fed member Plausser downplaying any concerns of rising US dollar at the Fed overnight, that should embolden the bull camp in the current environment. There should be only fleeting resistance in the dollar today, up at the old high of 88.31, especially given the early new highs in the US equities and the mere threat of additional sanctions against Russia. For more futures market commentary, including detailed technicals and trade recommendations, visit www.danielstrading.com/IMA. This is Don DiBartolo reporting from Daniels Trading in Chicago. Happy trading.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Trading broker who provides research market commentary and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Trading, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielstrading.com. Daniels Trading is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Trading does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.